All right, so I'm here in the trenches, literally, and we have our box set up for our level 2. So one thing about me is that I understand the installation, and the install guidelines actually call for a 12-inch by 12-inch box, and I go a little bit bigger. I go 14 by 14 to beef that pad up. It looks a lot better. It's sturdier. We put the number 4 rebar in there. We've got 2 conduits coming up, and we're gonna have a dual pedestal charger for our level 2 80 amps here. Again, the 80 amp is the biggest unit that is made in the level 2 charger that I've personally seen. So this will be really good. Getting ready for the concrete. You can see here, we've actually got our I-beams. This is where our bus weatherhead is gonna go. And the local utility company is actually replacing the transformers on this pole. We've requested a Sunday install on those transformers, and that'll be good because we won't have to shut down the facility for their operation. And then right here, we've got our pad for our level 3 charger. So you can see we've got this large 4-inch conduit. We've got our rebar in here for this pad. This pad's really, really interesting because we're about 12 inches off this way and about 8 inches off this way. I see a lot of people not understand how to build these pads and where to put this conduit. If this conduit's in the wrong place, you pour this concrete, this project has to be, this pad has to be torn down and rebuilt. That's really costly, and that's not something that you want to get into. This is going to be a really simple, easy project for us. We came out, we cut concrete, we trenched, we ran our electrical, we did the rebar, we have full contact with the utility. It is 100% turnkey working with National EV, and I think that's a big, big benefit for people who are interested in EV chargers.